Alright, how's it going, guys? Since I actually got one of my digs earlier this week on camera, I figured I'd make a video of what I found the last week and a half or so. This is actually right at my house. This is the first one I found last week, an 1883 Indian head. Not in that great a shape, and my camera doesn't like to focus on it. But there's that, which that's the best thing I've found on this property at that point. And then this week I was digging just not too far away from where I found the penny, and I found this Civil War buckle. It's not in the greatest shape, but at least the studs are still there. The lead's kind of in rough shape, and that peg's missing there, but I did hit it, of course, down here. But those marks in the middle, right there and there, those are old. But yeah, I couldn't be happier to find this. Kind of silly in the video, I didn't know quite what it was. You know, I've watched videos of people finding Civil War buckles before, but I live up here in Michigan, and there wasn't a whole lot of activity up here, you know, so I didn't expect to ever find one or anything like it. So I never really paid that much attention to them, but yeah, I feel silly for not knowing quite what it was in the video, but there it is. I will put the video here after this. Oh, really quick, I wanted to show you, this is what I found last year, almost in the same spot as that Indian head. If we can get it to focus. Schrader's Son, New York. Patent date September 27th, 92. I looked that up last year. Got some little decorations on there and everything. From what I found, it's just like a water bottle stop. That was pretty deep. The penny actually was only a couple inches deep, and this I'd say is probably 7 inches deep. But alright, we'll get to the other video. And yeah. Alright guys, got a signal here. It's ringing up on my, just using the 250 today. Was ringing up around in the penny area. Get my finger out of the way there. This is the first time I've actually tried to do a dig like this with my phone. Find down here. Go a little bit deeper here. I think I hear it. Maybe not. Don't see it yet. I really think it's going to be a coin, so I don't want to ding it up. This deep around here. I can touch it now. I don't know what it is. That might be a circle. Might be around. Give me a second here, guys. Alright, it was bigger than I thought, and it is not what I expected to find. That looks like, well, it definitely says US. Is that military or what? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I almost want to say it's like a belt buckle or something, but I don't know what those little knobs are. That is pretty cool anyways. I did not expect to find anything like this in this area. I actually did just find an 1883 penny down that direction the other day. But if this is military, which I don't know if it is, you guys will know better than I will. I do not expect to find military stuff in this area. Alright, I'm gonna do some research, maybe keep going here. Got another signal here. I found that buckle right over there. You can see that there. Jumping around a little bit, but I can get it to pretty much stick right there on the penny, sometimes the dime. Problem is the ground's a little bit frozen here still. It was nice over there, you know, 10 feet over there. But so I definitely can't film it while I dig it. And I'm not sure if I'm even gonna dig it today. I might have to wait till the ground thaws. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, what I managed to do was go all around it and get this nice frozen plug out. But now it's saying it's more like a pull tab. So let's see what we got here. We can get it out of here without wrecking it. I just don't see anything poking through. It's right there. Oh! I hit it. What is it? I don't know what that is. It's not a pull tab. Oh. It's a bullet shotgun. And I don't know my bullets either. But wants to focus on the ground. There it is. Probably nothing special. I'll clean it up.